Morning. So this morning I'm getting the windshield replaced on this girl. So it's about to show up in the driveway. I just wanted to update you, and here's how it's gonna go.
They're like, well, how do you go about doing this, or how do you go about doing that? It's like, really carefully. Off, you know, and then when you tell them you have to set everything as one, they look at you like you're insane. You know?
Yeah.
They don't get it.
Yeah, it's typically one of us is the expert, and it's not them.
You know, I had a cool customer one time, and I've got a lot of cool customers, but I had this one guy, he called me up and he's like, yeah, I got a 34 Merc and I need all the glass put back in. He's like, I tried and I keep breaking the glass. And, okay, let me see what you're doing. So I come out and the glass on the Merc and the back glass goes in from inside the car.
Really?
Yeah, the way it's set up. And
I wouldn't have guessed that one.
He's like, oh, so it's like a tea bucket. I was like, yeah, it's like a tea bucket. You got to pull your interior trim. And
yeah.
We'll get all this done, you know. And
that's how the older ones are from the 80s. They just had that big rubber seal around them.
Yep.
And you got to somehow manage to sandwich that in between the edge.
Yeah, nightmare, isn't it? You're just like, well, wait a minute here. How's this going to work? Fix the car right. You don't want to have to, I don't know, pander to the insurance company.
Yeah, just skip out on shit, you know?
Yeah, you're supposed to fix the car pre-accident condition.
Yeah.
You know, put it back the way it was. Well, if it had factory parts on it, put factory parts on it. I don't care how old the car is.
Yeah, as opposed to everything LKQ.
Yep. If, I understand if you can't get factory parts, then you're going to have to go that route.
Right.
You know, that's...
you.
So, in summation, shout out to Toalson Glass. This was a very good experience. He was very professional. Actually worked directly with the owner, James. And so he got me set up. He has plenty helpful information explaining what was going on, whatever have you. And we got it in. So, shout out to Toalson Glass. If you need anything in the Mid-Missouri area, call them. Their number will be somewhere here. Contact info, website, whatever have you. So, yeah, on to the next.